Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel here. It's Pete Kelly with Pistol Pete Yachting, and we're checking out my 2000 Cabo 45 Express, available for sale, asking 265,000. This boat is a fishing machine. If you know, you know. It's got a great layout and setup for fishing, and also perfect for island hopping, Bahamas. It can handle rough water. So let's go ahead and check this boat out. Nice open cockpit, all the fishing amenities you need, live well. There's a freezer. There's also a tackle station right next to it. We've got two large in-deck fish boxes. And you can see the engine room machinery space there, which we'll get into that later. And moving into the cockpit, actually first, we've got your aft station. So this is awesome. If you're backing up a fish or backing into your slip, you've got a third station out here with its own GPS. Moving into the cockpit, you've got some synthetic teak there in the cockpit. It's all climate controlled. You have AC at the helm, which is perfect. Definitely a must if you're in South Florida or the Caribbean. Isinglass has been redone recently, so you have great visibility there. And up at the helm, you'll see you got one Garmin screen and a separate Furuno for redundancy controls for the cockpit AC there. And then all the upholstery in the cockpit has been redone as well. There you have ice chipper that feeds into your fish box. It's a nice touch. And jumping down below into the cabin, beautiful wood finishes. A lot of this is original, so it may be something that a buyer wants to come in, update it, make it your own. But all the wood's in good condition, headliners in good condition, and you have a nice airy salon here. And to the starboard side, pretty well equipped galley, fridge, freezer, separate freezer box, stove top, microwave. And this is the two stateroom layout on the Cabo. Some of them are one stateroom. You have two proper staterooms. You can see the bunk beds. The owner's got a lot of his rods and reels, stuff like that hanging out. And then moving forward to the master, good size, queen, centerline berth, plenty of storage up above. Hanging lockers to either side, and then access to your head. Good size, separate shower, head, and really great headroom all the way around. So it feels bigger than most 45s, especially if you check out a newer 45. It's hard to beat this layout for the Cabo 45. Good space as well. Moving around for the bow. Windlass is new as well, and get a nice view of that profile looking up toward the tower. And let's jump down below to the engine room. So this is probably where the current owner spends most of his time. He's a mechanic by trade, very mechanically inclined. You have MAN 800s with about 2,800 hours. All services up to date. He keeps it pretty clean, nice and tidy down here as well. So the boat is running strong. We just did 34 knots recent sea trial, which is amazing for this boat. And also, you have access to your AC units. This is your Onan's Cummins generator, which was installed new in 2014, overhauled in 2021. That's in good condition. Your shaft seals there. For a 26-year-old boat, nice clean engine room. And then pop it up on the flybridge. You got new upholstery here. Up on the tower, you got a separate Garmin unit and your controls. Great visibility from up here to spot those fish from far away. If you want to see this one in person, give me a call, drop my info right there, and we'll see you on the water.